Do you speak English?
I'm Alaya from Pizza Hub. How can I help you?
Hi, I'd like to order a pizza, please.
Is this for a pickup or delivery?
Delivery, please.
Can I have your name, telephone number and address, please?
My name is John. My phone number is 99369259009 and my address is 30 Santa Street, 5th Cross Place, Redmond.
Okay, and what would like to order today?
I'd like a large pepperoni pizza with mushrooms, olives and extra cheese.
Would you like any extra toppings?
Yes, please, pepperoni mushrooms.
Would you like anything else?
Yes, please. Can I have a large bottle of Coke?
Of course. Anything else at all?
No thanks, that's all.
So it's a large pepperoni with double mushrooms, double pepperoni, olive and extra cheese with a large Coke. That will be $30.
Great. And how long will that be?
It will be about 30 minutes, Mr. John.
Fine, thank you, bye.
Thank you for your order. Bye.